This is a litter survey video project presented by Laikyn, Galvan, Angelina, and Alyse Gomez. The first location we surveyed at was a Starbucks parking lot in Galveston, Texas. Together, we found and recorded litter at this location on October 11th and October 13th. We discovered a wide range of litter in the Starbucks parking lot. We collectively recorded this data on October 11th and the 13th. This graph displays the different types of litter organized by category. More litter was found on October 11th compared to the 13th at this location. This is a litter that was surveyed in the Starbucks parking lot sorted by material type. At this location, the weather was cloudy, mildly sunny, and very hot. This is the effects of litter on the environment. When litter is in busy areas of town like the Starbucks parking lot, it can be washed into storm drains, which causes it to flow into our waterways and be distributed into the nearby ocean. The trash, more specifically the plastic contents of the trash, can harm wildlife and degrade their habitats. 80% of marine pollution can be traced back to sources on land, just like this parking lot. This can also be harmful to humans as it can make seafood unsafe to consume. Litter can also attract a plethora of bacteria and bacteria-carrying organisms like rats, roaches, and mosquitoes that can be a health hazard to humans, especially at Starbucks where most of the products sold is meant to be drank or eaten.
Our second location is the Texas A&M at Galveston Pacific Hall parking lot. We surveyed litter here on October 11th and October 13th. We saw a diverse range of litter in the Texas A&M Pacific Hall parking lot. The graph here displays the different types of litter organized by different category. We noticed that more litter was found on October 11th compared to October 13th at this location as well. This graph represents the litter that was surveyed in the parking lot as well, but by different types of material type. And due to this location being near the other location, the weather at this location was also cloudy, mildly sunny, and hot. The effects. Disposing of litter anywhere can be negative effects, but more specifically, at the TAMUG parking lot, they can have distressing consequences. This parking lot is very close to open bodies of water. With rain, litter enters the ocean through the storm water runoff, since this litter is in such close proximity to the shorelines. The litter found here can lead to things such as habitat damage. In the surrounding waters, there are a lot of birds and marine life. If these animals come in contact with the litter, they might accidentally consume it, which obviously is a negative effect towards the ecosystem.
Okay, this is for the total litter by category. This is all litter that was surveyed in the TAMUG Pacific Hall parking lot and the Starbucks parking lot. This graph is neatly sorted by category, and the combination of the locations on this graph allows us to see what category of litter is often found at these different locations. Now, this is the total litter by material. This is all of the litter that was surveyed in the TAMUG Pacific Hall parking lot and the Starbucks parking lot. This graph is neatly sorted by material. The combination of all these locations on this graph allows us to see the material type of litter that is often found at different locations. Now for the litter data, we have the Starbucks and Pacific Hall for November 11th and November 12th, the 4 trips that were taken, and you can see all of the types and categories of litter, and it just is just showing everything in great detail. And for the references, we have these two that were cited in our effects that were earlier on in the presentation, and that's it. Thank you.